It just takes one.
Victoria on the southern coast. And everything that lies beyond the map. Everything here is hyper-saturated, vibrant greens, and ancient growth, and a landscape that feels like it's still being written. Victoria is where the edges blur, a collision of city infrastructure and a modern-day Eden. You're standing on the pavement, and a few steps later, you're lost in the wild. This is home for the next few days. Looking at my drone footage, but it's just not translating.
Hi. Captain Tyler.
We need more altitude. We need the perspective of harbor air. Out in the city core, life moves in rhythm with the tide. People wander the streets, completely unaware that's just off the coast. Giants are breaking the surface. It's a strange balance. The polished aesthetic of the city against the raw, untamed reality of the Pacific. The whole place is alive. You walk through these forests, and these trees are bigger than life.
Seems surreal.
You don't feel like a visitor. You feel like you're a part of the ecosystem.
What you doing, my monkey? It's a little bit too high. I need you to drive a Winnebago back home. He does not like me. He doesn't like me at all. Okay, I'm leaving. Bye.